How to send and receive RMB on Wechat. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So some time ago I did a video on how you can send and receive RMB on Alipay, but in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can send and receive RMB on the Wechat platform. So if you are new to my channel and you are wondering what I do here, basically I teach people how to run Facebook and Instagram ads and how to receive money with Alipay. If this is what you are interested in, you want to hit the bell notification button, subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I post useful videos just like this one. Without no much further ado, let's dive right into why we are here. First thing you want to do if you want to receive RMB from people, by this I mean other people want to send you RMB to your Wechat account. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Wechat account. You will see this plus icon at this top side of your screen right there. Click on the top, the plus icon there. You see this thing that says money. Click on it and it will take you to another interface. Now at this interface here, you will see something like receive money. See it here, receive money. Click on receive money and this will open. Now what you have to do is to click on save payment code. Save payment code. What this does is that it saves your payment code to your phone gallery. Okay, so you have to go to your phone gallery and then transfer this payment code to the person that wants to send you the RMB. So that is how you can receive RMB to your Wechat account. I hope that is clear. Okay, now the next step is how you can send RMB to somebody. Let's say you purchase a goods from China and you want to pay for that goods. This is how you can send RMB to the supplier. First of all, you will tell the supplier to send you his or her Wechat QR code. Okay, when the supplier sends you the Wechat QR code, now to differentiate Wechat QR code from Alipay QR code, the Wechat has the green background while the Alipay has the blue background. Okay, I'll put a screenshot here so that you get to see how the two looks like. When that is done, you can now go back to send RMB to your supplier. Come to this same place here, this plus icon at the top side of your screen right here. Click on it, then you will see something that says scan. Now click on scan and then click on album, then go, it will open your gallery. Select that particular QR code you want to send your RMB to. So this will scan and then it will tell you to enter the amount you want to transfer. Okay, so I'll just enter the amount I want to transfer. Click on pay. So you wait for this to scan. Okay, now at this point you will have to enter your transaction PIN. So you wait for this to load. Voila, you see payment successful. So this is how you can transfer RMB from Wechat to another Wechat account. Okay, so when you have transferred the RMB, all you have to do is to screenshot this, take a screenshot of this, press OK, and then send the screenshot to them. So this is how you can send and receive RMB on the Wechat platform. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that YouTube get to push this video to as many people that want it. But if at any point you have a question, you have any issue, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be right there to respond to everyone. See you on the next one.